Now you walk in and it feels so professional and open.
It's really going to elevate your client experience
so much. Now we're full service. So this is just a very popular modern look right now, but this white and black look, everyone seems to have the white baseboard, and this is gonna go with any look.
I think that there's a large importance to having a trio. I think trios are very popular. We are ready to put our first print up today, and I think that it might be your favorite, or one of your favorites.
I mean, I'm trying not to be biased. Like, I love all of them, but I've been really excited because this one's just so different, and I'm just so excited.
Absolutely. And when you come down the hallway, which you guys will see in the tour, when you come in the door, this is going to be the first thing you see. Before it was a bunch of smaller prints.
It was our hero wall,
yep,
which was a great...
Which is great, but
But
we need something for impact.
to your right a little. Maybe not. Oh my God.
Does that look level?
I think so. That's an incredible thing to walk into. That's gonna make all the moms who didn't do maternity be like, shoot.
If you're watching along, we want this to be inspiring to you. We don't want it to be discouraging.
Yeah.
Like, this does not happen overnight. Build things that you're proud of that represent your personality like this does for you. You're going to be successful. It is absolutely going to happen, and it's happened for you.